I hope you guys all had a wonderful break and are so ready to keep going with our literacy. This week we are focusing on animal life cycles. Before holiday break, we focused on plant and insect life cycles. Now it's time to move into animal life cycles. So your target for today says, I can explore animal life cycles. I will show this by matching questions and answers. Now that will make a lot more sense once you see our activity for today. Your job is to go through this entire Google form and watch all 6 videos. There are 6 videos, and all the video is me reading the little section and discussing the question. They're like 2-minute videos max, so it's not very long. So you're going to watch all 6 videos, you're going to read along with me and answer the question. Here's video 3, here's the reading, here's the question. Video 4, reading, question. Video 5, reading, question. Video 6, reading, question. Once you've done all of those, you're going to choose your assignment. So if you're a turtle, you click here, rabbit, you click here. Brings you to Google Classroom and your assignment. So I want you to watch the video on this assignment and then turn it in. Your assignment looks like this. So when you get here, you'll notice there is a video to watch here. It's just me explaining what to do and reading these 2 little articles here. So you're going to watch the video, follow along with me as I read this, and then you are going to, you'll see this in the video, but you're going to figure out exactly where these blue boxes should go to answer the question. So here are your questions. And here are your answers. So you are matching the answer to the question, just like our target said. Okay, so after you've done all of your Google form, you will submit. After you have done, put your blue answers underneath the questions. You know, you've read the articles, you've listened to the video, watched the video, I'm sorry. Put your answers where they need to go. Then you can turn it in. Then you are done. So for literacy today, you are going to turn in a Google form and this PowerPoint or this Google form. Okay? So you're turning in your Google form and this Google slide. Okay? You have 2 things. I'm looking for both of those things to check you off as done for literacy. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.